tutorial, we will check use of command source operation using the terminals of VFD. To select operation as terminal, we will press mode and we'll jump to number 6, DRV number 6, and then we'll select the option FXRX-1 and we'll press escape to come out to the main screen. Here I have selector switch wired to the VFD terminals. As we can see in this schematic, P1 and P2 are wired with CM with the use of a switch. So in our case, we are using 3-position selector switch. So if I put my selector switch to the right position, it will make forward operation, and in case of center position, it will stop the motor, and in case of left position, reverse operation will happen practically. Now I will make it forward by moving the selector switch position to right side, and we see at the background the motor is ramping. Slowly it will take its time to reach to 60 Hz. Now it's at full speed. I will make it stop at center position, and we see it's coming to 0 Hz. And I move the selector switch to left side for reverse operation, and next I will just stop it. So this was all about the command source operation using the terminals of VFD or FXRX-1 operation.